Hi, I'm Beth, I'm the physio for the Welsh Feathers. Today I'm going to show you what's in my bag, the products that we use to treat an ankle sprain. First of all, what we have is, we don't know when we're travelling in a team in terms of the accessibility we have for ice, so the Physique instant ice packs are really good, easy to break and get cold really quickly, so that's what we carry around for travelling with to make sure that we're prepared. When we have an ankle sprain then, and in terms of management, what we might use is the EAB tape. And what's really good about it is it's really easy to tear and it can provide some compression in those early stages if we need to. When we're looking at getting a player back on court then, alongside to complement their rehab, obviously they would have done their strengthening, we're continuing with that, doing their proprioceptive work. What we would look then is perhaps taping their ankle to provide that additional stability in the initial stages. So what we might do, and again it's personal preference in terms of the athletes that we have, some like to use the zinc oxide tiger tan tape and apply that straight to the skin. What we like to use is a 3.8 centimetre width. If we have athletes who've got some skin sensitivities, what we can use then is the under wrap. Again, really stretching, it moulds around the ankle really well, so really good to apply when you're in those situations where you've got to be quite quick. We do have some athletes that actually do prefer to use EAB, and they like to use that as an under wrap first to provide some compression, and then apply the zinc oxide on top then, should they wish to have that extra support. Often or not, due to the demands of the sport, obviously they get quite sweaty, so we use those Tenso spray, pre-tape spray, just to apply underneath to make sure that tape remains sticky and remains on the ankle throughout the sport. So that's the main products in my bag for an ankle sprain. Obviously you've got plenty of other products within the bag, but that's it for the Welsh Feathers.